Okay, you do not want to uh, track your GPS location by your Android apps, so you can use fake GPS location Android app. This is available on Play Store. Okay, let's see how it's work. This app name is Teleport your phone to any place in the world with two clicks. This app sets a fake GPS location to every other app on your phone, believes you are there. I think you got my point. Your location, GPS location will be set in any other location that you set manually with this app. Then all the Android app from your device will believe that you are already on that location that you set manually with this app. So how it works? Let's see. Fake GPS. It's like you set San Francisco. You can type Vegas on search the city, any other city name here, then it will show this and you will press it. Then found Las Vegas in USA. Okay, in the setting option of this Android app, you will show icon will show on top of the mobile Android app. Then you can hide this or no. Start on boot, you can get this tick mark if you do not want to hide, don't want to show your GPS location to other apps. Then after your mobile restart, then it will automatically start. Okay, history count, GPS, you can count all the list that you visited with this app. Setting with location, GPS setting is for Wi-Fi provider. Accuracy, set GPS fix accuracy value in meters, update internal, auto altitude. Anything you can do with this app. Okay. Important. Be aware that after using fake GPS, you may find your location locked to the last mocked location event after uninstall fake GPS. Let's see the solution. There are two ways to fix this issue. Install GPS status from the Play Store, learn and get fresh GPS fix. You may need to repeat it several within 30-minute interval. Start fake GPS city location and leave it so for several hours. You may combine this step. Okay, actually it work with your service provider, so it take more than 1 hour to remove it because it already work with your hardware. Okay, let's see some review. Please provide an option to route a map on which we can show us like moving in real time with the speed option. For example, if I am moving GPS from point A to B in your app with 40 km per second speed, so it show as it is in other app. Next your app is the best in the market. Wow. Okay, subscribe us and get new reviews are coming. Thank you.